Have you ever sat down all comfortable watching Netflix and realized that you are craving pizza but you're too broke for Pizza Hut?
Well, we got the product for you. Magic Mike costs so little, just go to a convenience store near you.
Jaden Colonna, scientist at Science Green Academy. We scientists have seen the Magic Mike will change everything by making 3D printing food.
Now I can sit down and watch my favorite show. All I have to do is type what I want and wait 10 minutes depending on I want.
Limited amount of food for just $20,000. Call 1-800-MIKE-MAGIC.
We love Magic Mike.
Be careful with plugging it in for too long. Keep out of reach of kids. Last only for 10 years before needing to buy another.
But wait, that's not it. By buying one Magic Mike, you are helping homeless people. Every Magic Mike bought, there is $10,000 given to homeless shelters. Make a homeless person's day just by buying one Magic Mike.